Give me something fierce. Alright, no. Alright, that's fine. That's fine. That's natural. I like that. You nice. Alright, let's look over that side. Keep it. Over there. Good. Yeah, that was good a while ago. I want to see your teeth. Yeah, good. That's it. Lovely.
I don't like smiling.
Good. So just yeah, stay just like that. Good. Can I loosen your lips a little bit? Look out there. Alright, turn back your head to me. Alright, turn your body, entire body around to me. Yeah, just like that. Good. Right. And then you're gonna look over that side, please. Keep it. Alright, can you sit? Good, just like that. Lovely. Look over that side, please. Yeah. Nice. Give me a laugh now. Alright, let's go. Hmm?
So when I walk, I feel a breeze more.
Yeah. Alright, let's stop right there. Yeah. See that? You just give me a while ago. I like that when you just turn. I like this. I like no. I like this. I like that. Just like that. Good. Keep it. Lovely.
Yeah.
Sweet. More. Alright. Stay right there. Look at me. Good. Alright, give me. I want to get some with your hands. More. Alright, put it on your shoulder. Put it on your shoulder. No, they have. Yeah, that one. Yeah. Yeah, just like that. Good. Look down there now. Nice. Man, this shot.
Ooh, that's nice. Okay, alright, I guess. I guess you could do it.
Gun.
Oh,
Go on over that wall, man. You want me to go over there before you? Go on, man. Hurry up. Taya is scared of the wall. Alright, you don't have to sit on it. You can just put your hands on it and just lean back a bit. How about that? Alright, just lean your hands back. You can go back some more, please. Right, just like that. Lovely. This is a bit dark. Let me just put it up back a little bit more. I'm going to change my ISO to 400. It's too high, but yeah, it's really high, but I'm going to put at 350. Alright, let's try this now. We're going to look out there. Nice. Alright, look at me. Chin up. Sweet. Look out there, please. Right. Chin up a little bit. Chin up a little bit. Right. Alright, look out there, please. Nice. Carry your hand up now. Give me that. Up, up. Yeah, that one. Look over there, please. I think I want it directly under your chin, right? All right. Let me come around here. Yeah, I like this. Good. Sweet. Right. Ready again? Nice. Sweet. All right, thank you guys for watching that behind the scene video. I hope to have more videos soon. More videos that explains what I'm doing and stuff like that. But basically what I did in this video is basically self-explanatory. I just select a place, select a location, and I just shoot. You see the settings I'm using. I don't really move the settings unless I'm going to a darker area or a lighter area. The settings are on the screen so you can see exactly what I'm shooting, and it was just strictly natural light. I wanted to do like a B-roll before starting shooting, but my 24 to 70 millimeter Tamron lens actually fell and the glass came out, so I couldn't do any B-roll because I wanted to do a B-roll to let it look, a little bit more entertaining, but it didn't happen. So I also had some more videos of the behind the scene, but for some reason when I was copying the video from the SD card from the GoPro, it did not get everything. I'm not sure what happened, but these are some other shots that I got on the location, and I'm just not sure what happened to the file, and I've already overwritten the memory card because I did a wedding some time ago, and I did a behind the scene for that wedding, so I want to upload that as well. So yeah, so these are the other photos from the behind the scenes. There are some other ones here. And you can see my settings here. ISO was at 80, still shooting at 1.8, and my shutter was at 400. Right, so these are the other shots. Alright, so I am going to do a Photoshop retouch tutorial for some of these images. I'm gonna see if I can edit like maybe 3 images in one video and keep it at about 15 minutes hopefully. So yeah, so these are the other images that I took on the day, but as I said, for some reason the card is not working. I'm not sure what's happening, but yeah, so yeah, I'm just gonna upload this video right now, and I hope you guys enjoy viewing this video. Follow me on Instagram at Andredesignz, and my website is andredesignz.com. Remember to subscribe, like this video, share it. A lot of young photographers would love to see, how I actually shoot, and how to edit and stuff like that. So you sharing this video will help them and also help me. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye bye.